Good evening to you all. Today we're going to open bisque kiln. Alright, let's do it. That's nice. It's black clay. This is one of my trying to make pieces that are all the same size. Ashtray. Flour. I made this and I made this. I'm gonna make this for my mom. I'm gonna put like a stick that's gonna be the stem, and we're gonna see how that goes. That's one of my students made. She's cute, no?
Yeah.
I like the hat. That's for candles. That's a dwarf that one of my students made. They like the dwarf, the dwarfs that I made. So anyway, it's cute. Okay. It's a snail. Okay. So I decided that I was going to try, because there are so many cracks in plates sometimes, and as you can see that this kiln is not that big and I'm trying to save space, so I decided that I was going to try to burn it like when they're this way instead of one inside the other, because then for sure they break, they crack. So it's one of my attempts to see how, I keep trying to see how it's gonna work, that it doesn't, that the plates won't crack. That's a silk dish one of my students made. She was very excited about that. That was the first time that she ever did anything with clay, and she was really like, whoa. She was so excited. No, I have to say whoa. I made it. Planter.
Big one.
Yeah, it's not bad. I like it. Yep. Not too heavy, not too thick. That's the mister. Oh, I gotta show you something, guys. This, when I loaded the kiln, I broke this by accident, and then I said, oh, it breaks my heart. It's not even mine, it's one of my students. And I decided I was going to fix it. And the best way to fix it is I take a slip that I have here. And all I do is add vinegar to it, which you probably guys know. But for the people that don't know, if I add vinegar, it helps the clay like stick much better. And all I did was add a little bit, and it was just, you can see that it's fine, really. That's a planter, hand built, one of my students made. Beautiful. This is a dotted clay, and I'm sure it's gonna be wonderful.
I want to see the bow tie that you glued.
Oh, okay. Here.
Because I don't see any sign of...
Oh, well, it's just a little bit,
okay.
you can see. Here. But after we glaze it, it's gonna be much stronger, so I don't worry about it.
That's my mug.
Oh, that's your mug. Julia, you are so talented. So talented.
Show the signature.
The signature, of course. Rana. 22.
Right.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
And it's not too thick, it's not too thin. The handle is beautiful. The the writing is beautiful. Your signature is beautiful. The writing is beautiful. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. So that would be take this out. some explanations. This will go in here. That's one of my students made. Well, or here. Yeah, here. Like that. Isn't that beautiful? That's one of my other plates. I made 4 plates. Let's see if they're all equal size.
What's that?
It's my new student. She made this. It's a pebble. She decided to make pebbles. And as you can see, she made all kinds of pebbles to her backyard. That's part of the flowers. I'm gonna put them here. Beautiful flower, by the way. Look. I like the way she shaped it. Owls. I love owls. They're so beautiful. Okay, so that's it. And that's a soap dish. Black clay. And I'm gonna put some dotted glaze, like the beige glaze. And we'll see how that's gonna work. And I really wanted to see if they all came out approximately the same size. So how can you tell? You can tell that this is not the same. Why? So many trucks. Okay. I'm missing about a centimeter here, which is not bad, but I really want it to be, completely and totally equal. Oh, so this and that would be the same size, but and this and that is the same size, so it's really not bad. So I still have a lot of work to do, working on making kind of equal, same size shape of plates, mugs, cups, whatever. And yeah, I like it. So have a great day, have a great week, and we'll see you next video. Bye.